95% of people who start YouTube this year will quit. Not because they're lazy, not because YouTube is saturated, and definitely not because they got unlucky. They'll quit because they never learned the 7 principles that every successful creator understands. Miss even one of them, and your channel could stay stuck for years. But if you master all 7, you'll already be ahead of almost everyone starting today. And here's the interesting part. The algorithm isn't even the biggest reason most creators fail. We'll get to that in just a few minutes. So let's start with the first rule every successful YouTuber knows. Chapter 1. Stop fighting the algorithm. Every January, thousands of people make the exact same promise. This is my year. I'm finally going to start a YouTube channel. I'm going to hit 100,000 subscribers. For the first few weeks, everything feels exciting. You upload your first video, then your second, then your third. But nothing happens. 20 views, 30 views, maybe even 0. The problem usually isn't your effort. It's that you're trying to beat a game whose rules you don't understand. Most beginners think YouTube rewards creators. It doesn't. YouTube rewards videos that keep people watching. That's an important difference. Think about it this way. Imagine you own a movie theater. Would you rather show a movie that keeps people inside for 2 hours, or one where everyone walks out after 10 minutes? The answer is obvious. YouTube works the exact same way. Its goal isn't to make creators successful. Its goal is to keep viewers on the platform for as long as possible. So when you upload a video, YouTube first shows it to a small group of people. If they click, watch most of it. Leave a like, write a comment, or continue watching another video afterward. YouTube thinks people enjoyed this, so it recommends your video to even more viewers. But if people leave after 20 seconds or ignore your thumbnail completely, YouTube stops pushing it. Not because it hates your channel, because it believes another video will keep viewers watching longer. That's why the algorithm isn't your enemy. It's simply following viewer behavior. And here's something many creators never realize. The algorithm keeps changing because people keep changing. Back in 2014, uploading frequently was often enough to grow. By 2018, long-form content dominated because it generated more watch time. Then shorts completely changed viewer habits. Today, attention is more valuable than ever, which means if you're still using strategies from 3 years ago, you're already behind. But even understanding the algorithm isn't enough, because there's another mistake that's quietly destroying more channels than the algorithm ever could. Chapter 2. Quality beats quantity. Every time. Let me ask you a question. Who do you think grows faster? Creator A uploads 365 average videos in a year. Creator B uploads only 4 videos. But every single one feels like a Netflix documentary. Most people assume the first creator wins. In reality, it's usually the second. Because viewers don't remember how often you upload. They remember how your videos made them feel. One incredible video can earn more subscribers than 50 forgettable ones. That's exactly why some creators upload only once every month, yet still gain millions of subscribers every year. Their secret isn't consistency. It's consistently delivering value. If your video teaches something, entertains someone, or solves a real problem, people will gladly wait another month for the next upload. But if you're posting average content every single day, viewers have no reason to come back. Your upload schedule doesn't build your channel, your viewers' experience does. So instead of asking, how can I upload more? Start asking, how can I make my next video impossible to click away from? Improve your scripting, improve your editing, improve your storytelling. Those 3 skills alone will separate you from most beginners. There's one tool sitting inside YouTube Studio that most creators completely ignore. Ironically, it's also the tool that tells you exactly why your videos succeed or fail. Chapter 3. Analytics is your cheat code. Imagine playing a video game, but every time you lose, the game tells you exactly what mistake you made. That's basically YouTube analytics. Yet most creators never use it properly. They upload a video, check the views, feel disappointed, and immediately start working on the next one. Instead, treat every upload like an experiment. Open your analytics and ask questions. Where did viewers leave? Which thumbnail got the highest click-through rate? Which traffic source brought the most viewers? Which section kept people watching the longest? Every answer makes your next video stronger. The biggest YouTubers don't guess what works. They measure it. If people consistently leave after your intro, maybe the intro is too slow. If your click-through rate is low, maybe your thumbnail isn't creating enough curiosity. Analytics isn't there to judge you, it's there to coach you. Once you learn how to read it, you'll stop creating videos based on hope and start creating videos based on evidence. Now imagine you master all of this. Your videos improve, your views start increasing. Eventually, you reach YouTube's monetization requirements. Game over? Not even close, because this is where thousands of creators make another huge mistake. Chapter 4. Monetization isn't success. Ask any new creator what their first goal is. Most will say, I just want to get monetized. And that's completely understandable. It feels like crossing the finish line. But in reality, it's only the starting line. Getting monetized doesn't automatically mean you'll make good money. I've seen creators celebrate monetization, only to discover they're earning less than the cost of a coffee each day. Why? Because monetization unlocks opportunity. It doesn't guarantee income. Real income comes from one thing: creating videos people actually want to watch. Long watch time, high retention, satisfied viewers, that's what generates sustainable revenue, not the green dollar sign in YouTube Studio. And here's another misconception. Many beginners believe shorts are the fastest path to making money. The truth? Shorts are fantastic for getting discovered. But for most creators, long-form content is still where the real business is built. So don't chase monetization, don't chase viral views, chase value. Because if you consistently create videos that improve someone's life, the subscribers, the views, and the money will eventually follow. Chapter 5. AI is a tool, not a shortcut. Let's be honest, AI has completely changed YouTube. Today you can use AI to write scripts, generate voiceovers, create thumbnails, edit videos, even generate B-roll in minutes. And that's not a bad thing. Creators who learn to use AI will almost always outperform creators who ignore it. But here's where things go wrong. Many people confuse using AI with replacing creativity. There's a huge difference. Using AI to speed up your workflow, using AI to brainstorm better ideas, but copying someone else's content, cloning a celebrity's voice, or asking AI to remix another creator's video and uploading it as your own. That's where you're asking for trouble. Because YouTube isn't just looking at what you upload anymore, it's looking at whether you actually added value. Think of AI like a calculator. A calculator doesn't make someone a mathematician, it simply helps them work faster. AI works the same way. It can help you create, but it can't replace original thinking. The creators who win in the AI era won't be the ones using the most AI. They'll be the ones combining AI with creativity. And speaking of things that can destroy a channel overnight, there's one challenge every creator has to face: competition. Chapter 6. If you don't evolve, you disappear. Here's a question. What's the biggest YouTube channel today? 5 years from now, will it still be number one? Maybe. Maybe not, because YouTube rewards one thing above everything else: adaptation. Every year, viewer preferences change. Editing styles change, titles change, thumbnails change, even attention spans change. Yet thousands of creators continue making the exact same videos they made years ago. And then they wonder why their views are dropping. The answer is simple. The audience moved on. They didn't. Some creators think the solution is finding a niche with no competition, but that niche doesn't exist. Search almost any topic on YouTube, and you'll find hundreds or even thousands of creators already making content about it. So if you can't avoid competition, how do you beat it? By becoming unforgettable. Maybe it's your storytelling. Maybe it's your editing style. Maybe it's your humor. Maybe it's your personality. Your uniqueness doesn't have to be dramatic. It just has to be consistent. Look at the education niche. A few years ago, talking directly into a camera was enough. Then whiteboard animations became popular. Today, fast-paced editing, motion graphics, and visual storytelling dominate. Creators who adapted are growing faster than ever. Creators who refuse to change are slowly becoming irrelevant. That's why the biggest competition isn't another YouTuber. It's becoming outdated. But even if you become an amazing creator, there's still one thing that determines whether people subscribe. Chapter 7. Build a community, not just a channel. Imagine two creators. Both upload incredible videos. Both get millions of views. But one channel slowly dies, while the other keeps growing year after year. Why? Because one built an audience. The other built a community. Views come and go. Subscribers come and go. But a loyal community follows you. Not just your videos. They subscribe because they trust you. They feel like they know you. They believe you're helping them become better. That's why the biggest creators reply to comments, host Q&A sessions, go live, and genuinely interact with their audience. They're not just uploading videos, they're building relationships. As your channel grows, you won't be able to reply to everyone. That's normal. But never forget the people who supported you when nobody else did. Those early viewers are the foundation of everything you'll build later. Treat them well, because they won't just watch your videos, they'll recommend them, defend them, share them, and help your channel grow when the algorithm doesn't. That's the power of community. So let's put everything together. If you want to succeed on YouTube, don't obsess over subscribers. Master these 7 principles instead. Understand the algorithm. Create quality instead of quantity. Study your analytics. Focus on delivering value, not just getting monetized. Use AI to improve your creativity, not replace it. Adapt faster than your competition, and most importantly, build a community that believes in you. Thousands of people will upload their first video today. Most of them will quit within a year. The only question left is, will you actually use them? If you found this video valuable, don't let it be the only thing you watch today. The playlist on your screen contains everything you need to take these ideas and apply them to your own channel. Watch it next. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, subscribe to Creator Root Official. Every week we break down the strategies, algorithms, and creator tips that help channels grow.